Hey guys, I'm back. Yup, I'm still alive playing this game. I just have been away for a few months because I wasn't feeling that much playing about playing. Anyway, so after I got back, I've made some improvements to my team, I guess. For myself, a Trevor, max team, able to do Herro quite well with decent rune combination. For myself, a bulldozer as well, who does like okay damage. Around 24 to 26k, which is like okay, I guess, not the best, but he will have to do. Well, right now we're going to have the Hemo's secret dungeon, the water Grim Reaper. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's show my bulldozer for a moment. So now Arnold with the new defense buff is quite good, gives him more damage. Might have to 6-star every single one of these peeps here, but oh well. Okay, so my bulldozer does decent damage. Yep, with that buff, and also the leader does 28k, which is okay, but enough to kill a Laika or something else that's around that health. Perhaps Archangel, like Fire Archangel only. As a fire copper is quite decent now. Just that compared to copper, he's a little bit underwhelming. Yeah, so that's about it. Just news update, I'm back. See ya! Have fun summoning.